Okay, so in this video we will create a 3D card system using Common Ninja. Okay, so it's a widget. So at first we need to create an account. On the video description I will put the website link. You can use this link. Whenever you will go to the link, then you can see there have a login feature. You just need to create an account on it, and then you can see here under the dashboard, you can see here create widget. You just need to click on it. Then at the very first we can see here create 3D card option. So what do we need to do? We just need to click on it, and then we can see here the card option. So for the content we just need to click here. You can see here on the left side have the 3 card, and here is the 3 card. And if we will animate here, if we will click this icon, then we can see the more info here. So let me just go to the my card, and we can change the heading here, heading number 1, and we can put the card description here, and here is the button text, and we can link up it with any of the page. And here is the card back information. And in the link you can make it open link in a new tab, or as well as for the card back information. All of these things are very details, so you can easily understand how to change the content. Like when I click here more info, the information you will put here, it will display back information here, more info. Okay, so here is the flipped, here is the flipped option. You can enable it, and here is, and you can add the new card. You can see the card is adding here, and it's fully responsive. It work with big desktop, laptop, and the tablet part, and the mobile as well. So it's fully mobile responsive, so you don't need to worry about that if I will include it on my website, then it will be responsive or not. So it's fully responsive. We don't need to worry about that. So let me delete. I want to put here the 3 card, and here as well as have the AI option. I can see the AI option here. If you will enable it from here, then you can just command him, like as fill up the information that need on those card with dummy information. Let's see what happened. Okay, you can see they just fill up the information that we need to fill up with our content. So if I will click here on the backend, have the information as well, and here is less information. So we can ask here view more or back card, view more or card back information should be more text. Let's check. Token per month. We have reached the maximum number of the token per month, so please upgrade your plan. So if you want to use the AI, then obviously you need to purchase the plan, and otherwise one widget from this website is free that we are doing here. So let's keep it look like that way. We can put the information manually as well, like as that have on the description. We can just put it multiple time here, and if I will go back, you can see the more information is here. So how we can include it on our any kind of website? If you are using Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, HTML, CSS website, they have a lot of feature for that. If I will go to my Wix, any of the website, studio tutorial, let me go to my Wix Studio to show you how to embed it, and it's very common for all of the third-party widget. Give us some of the code and we just need to put that code on our editor. It can be Wix, it can be Squarespace, it can be Weebly, or it can be WordPress as well. Even HTML CSS website also allow that. So let me wait. Wix Studio editor is opening. Let me just add a new section and let's go to the widget panel. We just need to click save here at the very right side, save changes, and we can name it my first project, or you can give another name as well. Save changes, and we have successfully created that. And with this link you can see what you have done. Let me just go to the link here. It will look like that way on our website. So let's go to the screen, just close that, and if I will click here now the publish button, then it will give us add to website and iframe. When I will click the iframe, then I just need to copy here the code and I need to go to my editor, and from here we need to find here embed iframe. So just click it. Here is the iframe, and now if I will click enter code, if I will put the code here and update, and if I will go to the preview mode now, okay, it's not coming. Let me just make it full screen and publish, and let me go to the live site. It's published. We can just click here also to visit the website. Okay, here it should be come up, right? So it's not coming, so we need to check what happened. This is the code and this is the embed code. Okay, it's fine. Embed URL we have also as well, but it should work. Let me check why it's not working. Embed code, everything is fine here. We can check with the direct link as well. You can see it's there. So let me just adjust it. Let me make it full screen. Here is that. Let me just click publish here, and let me just reload here. Okay, so we got it. You can see there have no ads, no credit, nothing there, just the content. Visitor can't understand that we have embedded a widget there. It's regularly like as the general content it's displaying here. So without doing any code, you can use this website to create look like that way 3D card for your website. Okay, so that's it for today. You will get this widget website link on my video description. You can use that link and you can create look like that way the 3D card for your any kind of website, and you can edit look like that way I have just shown you. If you face any issue with including that, just send me a message. I can also assist you to embed it on your website. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye for now.